Welcome to day one training. Guys, I just want to understand one simple thing. How many of us are here, those who have not done any kind of trading or any kind of investing? Everyone, just type one. People who have not done any kind of trading or any kind of investing in their life, entire life so far. Just type one. So at least I'll come to know like what type of language am I supposed to use during this training. Okay. The maximum participants are here, those who have not done any kind of trading or investing. Okay, I got it. Perfect. Guys, I have few expectations. Okay, so first I will be talking on that. Okay, and apart from that, I have given mic access to all of you. So make sure you guys are on mute right now. Whenever you have any question, you can just unmute yourself. You can interrupt me and you can ask your question. Okay. Okay, Pawan sir. Everyone, did you get my point? What I said just? Everyone? During the session, okay, if you guys have any question, please unmute yourself, interrupt me, and I will answer the question. Okay, you can ask me question during the training. It's completely open ground for you guys. Okay, perfect. Apart from that, guys, make sure that you guys are communicating with me. Mohita, for now it is blocked because I am sharing instructions now. Okay, guys, understand. I want make sure that like all of us are interacting with each other. Okay, so whenever I will be like completing any topic. Okay, if I'm finishing any topic, always I will be asking like, did you guys understood this part? You will be typing one in the chat box. Okay, and make sure you guys are also taking note on the same time because I myself I will write on my tablet and I will be explaining and I will be sharing my notes at the end of the session with you guys. Okay, so make sure you guys are interacting properly with me. You guys are asking me question and I'm there to answer your questions. Apart from that, guys, please understand this entire training is there for the 2 weeks now. So you will be getting proper hands-on experience of trading, investing, theory, risk management, everything. So make sure you guys are participating properly in this and you're daily practicing market at least for 10 minutes. When I say practicing market, I doesn't mean trading and investing. I mean to say doing analysis on market charts, doing understanding of market news, reading market related news, understanding stocks and all that. Okay, in and out I will be teaching you things slowly and steadily, guys. I just want to make sure that you guys are actively participating in the group, in the training and in all the discussions. Am I clear? All of you, please quickly type one. All of you, quickly. Am I clear with my instructions, guys? Please. Okay, perfect. Now here I'm sharing mic access. So please, I request any of you, please unmute and just check if the mic unmute option is available or not. Just say yes. Check, everyone. Guys,
Yes, ma'am.
did you guys get access to the mic? Please say yes.
Yes, ma'am. We have got the access.
I can't hear you.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
second. Guys, do you have mic access? Can you
Yes.
please confirm?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
I am not able to hear you. One
Yes, ma'am.
moment.
Hello.
Okay, guys, can you try to unmute yourself?
Are we audible?
Yes, yes. Now you guys are audible to me. Guys, am I audible to all of you?
Oh,
Yes.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. You are
Okay,
audible, sir.
perfect. Perfect, perfect. Great, great, great. So let's start now, guys. Okay, we'll start our day one training now. So basically, guys, when we talk about basics of stock market, okay, the concept is very simple. Okay, if you are investing your money in good businesses, okay, then there's a very high chance that you will get good appreciation whatever money you invest in market. Okay, if you are investing in bad businesses, there's a very high chance that your investment may not grow or you may lose your money. Okay, so what is stock market? Stock market is all about investing. Stock market, 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 stock mar is all about investing and trading on business. Everyone, understand this. Yep, we do investing and trading, but if we are doing it with a proper data analysis, then trust me, in short term and in long term, you guys will get proper appreciation from the market. So now here, when I'm saying long term and short term, what is exactly that? So here, guys, we will be learning about two more important data aspects. One is fundamental data aspect and another is technical data aspect. I mean to say, guys, if you're trading or investing in long term and short term, if it is done without analysis, eventually you are going to lose your money in the market. Number one. Number two, nowadays in market, on social media, on news channel, on Telegram, on YouTube, there are many traders who are claiming that they will be giving you 80% accuracy, 85% accuracy, 90% accuracy. Just get your funds and start trading. Never do that, guys. Everyone, are you guys with me? What I'm saying over here? Never ever take bet on someone else analysis. Why? Because we don't know what the source of that analysis is. How risk, what type of risk management he or she has done. So never ever trust someone else analysis. Always try to find logic whenever you are planning any of your position, guys. In market, in stock market, whenever you will be trading or investing, your main focus will be on logic and risk management. So if things are according to your setup, then only you will take entry, then only you will plan your position. If things are not in your setup, avoid it. Don't trade into the market. Everyone, I hope you guys understood this part, right? All of you, kindly please reply me in the chat box. You can also say yes in the chat box. Sorry,
Yes, sir.
by unmuting yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, perfect. So now let's understand the very first part of the stock market, wherein SEBI comes in picture. Who is SEBI? SEBI is a regulator body. What he does? He protects the right of traders and investors. I mean to say, here what happened? That whenever you are trading or investing, and if that application is registered with SEBI, if something goes wrong with you, you can directly call, you can directly mail to the SEBI grievance team. They will help you to solve your problem. Okay. So the full form of SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India. Securities Exchange Board of India. So I mean to say here, all the traders and investors like you and me, all the exchange, all the companies which are listed in stock market, all the different type of assets, they are regulated by SEBI. Understand? If there is anything coming across you stating that we will be giving you 100% return, we will be giving you 200% return, just avoid all that stuff, guys. If that was the case, all the businessmen have hired that analyst guy and they could have become a millionaire. It is not that easy. Trust me, actually, guys. Okay. So now let's understand how things work actually now in stock market, the basic mechanism. Okay. So here we have total two exchange. One is Bombay Stock Exchange and another is National Stock Exchange. So as a trader or investor, if you want to trade, if you want to get any asset, that has to go to your exchange. You can only buy from your exchange. Trust me, guys. There is no other way. But you cannot directly go to exchange. In this case, you will be required your broker. Who is broker? Broker is your Demat account service provider. For example, all of us have here account in Angel One, right? Here there is the Angel One. Okay, and here there is your stock market. Okay, this is your exchange. This is BSE and this is NSE. Okay, and here there are two clearing agents. We can also say that is a depository. The name of that depository is CDSL and NSDL. And here we are, investor and trader. Okay. So what happens now here, if I want XYZ industry, the name of company is XYZ industry. Okay. Now you want to buy this. What you will do? You will go to Angel One. You will place order over here. What Angel One will do? Angel One will ask this guys to get this XYZ industries for you from exchange. So now what will happen? They will go, they will buy this XYZ industry and they will store that entry in your Angel One Demat account. Everyone, I hope you guys understood this, right? Similarly, if I want to give you one example which is out of the stock market, like here we are buyers and here there's the Amazon and here there are sellers. If you want to buy anything, you will go to Amazon, you will place order, Amazon will give that order to seller, seller will send that order via Amazon to you. Everyone, you guys understood now this part? Everyone, kindly please
Yes, ma'am.
reply me in the chat
Yes.
box quickly. Huh?
One, can you
So now,
repeat again?
Sure, definitely, ma'am. So whenever, if you are doing any kind of trading or any kind of investing activity, ma'am, that has to go through from the Angel One. Okay. So what Angel One will does, ma'am? Angel One will send that query to CDSL and NSDL. What are the CDSL and NSDL? They are the depositories. The full form of CDSL is Central Depository Services Limited and full form NSDL is National Securities Depository Limited. Okay. So now what happens over here, guys? If you want to buy any stock, okay, you will open your Angel One application. Okay, and you will send a request that I want to buy one stock. The name of that stock is XYZ industry. Okay, so Angel One will, what Angel One will do? Angel One will ask the CDSL and NSDL guys, go and get that order for you from exchange. They will travel to exchange, they will get that stock for you, and they will settle that transaction in your Demat account. Now you guys understood, all of you? Hello,
Yes,
guys?
ma'am.
Okay, now what is CDSL and NSDL? You must be having that question, right? Already we have Demat account. Then why CDSL and NSDL are playing the role? Guys, just imagine tomorrow if Angel One gets shut down and if you're holding stocks and everything, there should be a record, right? Everyone? That who manages all that records? CDSL and NSDL. So what happens, guys, in your Demat account? Okay, there is one DPID. That DPID belongs to the depository. Either it can be CDSL or either it can be NSDL. It cannot be both. Any one party can handle all your records, all your transaction, and all your settlements. So basically, this party, this depository party, this people helps to settle all the transactions. So basically, if I say, they just check who is buying and who is selling and then they settle the transactions. I hope now this part is clear to all of you, right? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, kindly please reply me in chat box if you're not able to speak.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
What about others, guys? I got 2 responses. Guys, you can type 1 in the chat box. I'm okay with that.
Yes, ma'am.
But make sure you guys are interacting with me. So at least I'll come to know that all of us are on same page. Okay. So guys, there are multiple assets in stock market. We have stocks, we have derivatives, we have mutual funds, we have ETF, we have bonds. We are going to discuss all these things step by step. Okay. So after understanding this, now let's come back to the topic. How does stocks get listed into the market? Now this we have this question, right? Who allows businesses to list themselves in the market? Now we have that question, right? There is Reliance, there is TCS, we have Infosys, we have Wipro, we have Suzlon. There are many companies, but who allowed them to get listed on market? Now we have this question, right? Everyone, we have this question, all of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll be answering that now for you guys. 1 second. Actually, my mom is calling me. Okay, so now here, understand this. We have Darshil. Okay, Darshil Kachadia. Let's say Darshil has a business of petrochemical. Okay, the company name is DARSHIL. Darshil Petrochemical Private Limited. Okay, that's the name of company. Okay, now understand one thing, guys. Here, Darshil is doing business from past 10 years. Okay, now Darshil says that I want to increase my business. Like I can see a very good scope in future. So now I want to like grow my business. So for that, Darshil needs right now 100 CR. Okay. So what happens over here? Darshil have right now two options. Number one, what he can do? He can go to bank for loan. But guys, bank will ask for hefty interest rate. And again, Darshil has to dance according to bank's terms and conditions. Are you guys getting my point? So is it a good option for Darshil for now? Everyone, the bank option.
No,
Understand, Darshil wants 100 CR and bank is asking for 13% interest rate per annum. So is it a good option for Darshil?
no, no,
No,
no.
ma'am.
No.
No, right? Okay, perfect. Now, there's another option. Darshil has a good friend circle. But does any of them have 100 CR for Darshil?
No,
Or even 1 CR?
no.
Or even 1 CR, guys? Darshil, can you answer this question for me? Do you have any friend who can give you 1 CR?
Yes.
Oh my God. Please give me his number. Okay. But guys, I'm talking about here 100 CR. So which is next to impossible actually. Let's think logically now. I'm sorry, Darshil. So understand, guys. Now, what's the last option? The, the last option is taking money from equity. Equity share market. This is the option now for Darshil. So now here Darshil what will do? Okay, right now the 100% ownership is with Darshil. 100% equity is with Darshil. So now Darshil will create one report with the help of bankers, CA, CMS, all the CS. Okay, that report is known as a RHP. Okay, so now let's understand how this entire process work. RHP, red herring prospect. So in this report, okay, Darshil has to mention everything, whatever things he has done in 10 years, profit and loss, balance sheet, asset, liability, board of directors, whatever petrol pump is unit, whatever chemical manufacturing, whatever things he's like holding, whatever business he is doing, he has to mention everything in that report. Also, he has to mention that the 100 crore he is seeking, for what purpose he is going to use, for marketing purpose, for manufacturing purpose, or he wants to give exit to old shareholders. Okay, so he has to mention everything. Now this report will go to SEBI. Now this report will go to SEBI. What SEBI will do? SEBI will do scrutiny. SEBI will check everything. After that, SEBI will give approval, and Darshil will allowed to launch the IPO, which is known as initial public offer. So what offer Darshil has given now to SEBI? In return of 100 CR, I am ready to give up my 30% equity. I am ready to give up my 30% equity. Then what will happen? The day Darshil's stock will get listed to the market, 70% ownership will remain with Darshil and 30% ownership will remain to the people, those who are going to give 100 CR. Like for example, if 30% shares are divided between like 10,000 people, 2,000 people, okay. So that particular amount will be given to the Darshil's company. Everyone, did you guys understood this part? Now, how the market gets listed? All of you? Sorry, how the stock gets listed to the market? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So that is one thing I can show you guys this practically. Okay.
Yes.
Recently, like many IPOs are coming now. Okay. So let's try to understand this with a proper example. What you can do, guys, you can go to Google and you can search for the new IPO. New IPO. Just do this. Okay. You will get many search options. Okay. And after that, just tap on any, like this Chittorgarh is a very good website actually. After this, here, if you see, the upcoming IPOs are Sambhav Steel, HDB Financial Services. These are the IPOs. Okay. So let's understand this HDB Financial Services first. So here, what we have is total issue is 12,500 CR. Okay. The fresh issue is 2,500 and the offer for sale is 10,000. So total, how much are they looking for? 12 plus 10, 22 plus 2, 24 and another 5, almost 25,000 CR, guys. Almost 25,000 CR they are going to raise. Okay. And how many shareholding pre-issue? 79 crore 39 lakh 63,540 shares of the company. Okay. So guys, I would like to ask one thing. Offer for sale. Okay, fresh issue means they are going to issue that security to the new shareholders. Okay, offer for sale means what? Means giving exit to previous shareholder. For example, in Darshil's company, okay, there is a Jayesh. Oh, sorry, in Darshil's company there is Bharat. Okay, 10 years back, Bharat invested 1 CR in Darshil's company, and now it's been now 10 years. Now Darshil company's valuation is more, right? Compared to past 10 years. Everyone agreed or not? Previously, Darshil started company with the amount of 5 CR. Okay. Now the company valuation is 5,000 CR. So whatever amount Bharat invested 10 years back, now that amount has also increased, right? Everyone agreed or not with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because now valuation is increased. Okay. So now what Bharat is saying that I want exit from your company. I want exit from your company. So whatever amount Bharat paid in the initial time, let's assume it's a 5 CR. So here now when Bharat is taking exit, Bharat will get 50 CR. Why? Because company valuation increased. The amount 5 crore valuation is also increased now. I hope now you guys understood, right? How this IPO part works and everything, whatever terminologies they have written over here. And guys, these things are available in public domain also. Here, if you tap on docs, here is a DRHP. It will directly to the SEBI website. And here you will see all the things mentioned in their balance sheet, who are the current shareholders and everything. See this. Here you will see the total borrowing. There are many things, guys. 1 second. These are the current shareholders. See, I will just zoom it right now. Are you guys getting my point? Basically, guys, this HBC Finance is a subsidiary of HDFC. Okay. HBC Finance is a subsidiary of HDFC, but both the entities are different. HDFC, there's a bank, there's an insurance, but this HB, what is this? I forget the name. HDB. It's a NBFC actually. Guys, I hope it is clear now to all of you, right? So whatever money they are going to raise, they will be giving exit to all of them. HDFC Life Insurance, HDFC Asset Management, HDFC Ergo, HDFC Trustee, all of them will get exit from the company, and companies will be growing their business with the help of shareholders' money. Everyone, I hope now this part is clear to all of you. Why do company raise IPO? Why do company require money and everything? All of you?
Yes.
Guys, any other questions or doubt for me on this IPO part? How the companies get listed into the market and everywhere?
No, ma'am, we are clear.
Okay. Darshil, how about you? Is it clear to
No,
you? For one,
not clear.
not clear? What you didn't understood? Can you tell me that so I can repeat for you?
Yes, repeat.
Okay. So Darshil, basically what happened here when you are like looking for extra funds, okay? So when you raise money from the stock market, there is no need to give interest. So here what you will do, whatever profit you get, you share that profit with your shareholders. Even if you're in loss, you share your loss with shareholders. Simple. That's it. Is that clear now?
Okay.
Hmm? Everyone, I hope now this part is clear to all of you. In case, guys, if you're not able to understand what I said, please do watch this recording. It is my request. Even after watching recording, if things are not clear, you guys can directly buzz me up on my WhatsApp. I will be sharing my WhatsApp number. Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Now let's go to the mutual funds. So this part is very interesting now, guys. Understand. So there are two ways to, yes, Mehak, again you are back. Okay, so here what I was saying in mutual funds, here you participate in market indirectly. Okay, you participate in market indirectly. So here what you have asset management companies. Asset management company. So what happens here? Like let's assume this HDFC guy, HDFC mutual funds, SBI mutual funds. Okay. So now understand this. The number one thing when you can invest in market is by directly participating in market. So what you will be doing, you will be directly investing your money in stock market. Here, this is stock market. Okay. If you're directly investing your money in stock market, whatever profit you gain, whatever loss, everything will come to you directly. Okay. But as I said, we all are beginner right now. We don't know anything. So what we do take help of mutual fund companies. So what they do, guys, on behalf of you. Okay, what they do, they take your money, okay, and then they invest that money in market. So whatever return they get, okay, it directly comes to them, and the share of the return, for example, if they have earned profit of 10%, okay, that 5% they will keep with them, okay, remaining 5% will be distributed between all the mutual fund investors, those who have invested in their company. Are you guys getting my point right now? So here what happened? You got indirect return from the market. Okay. But in first situation, you are getting direct returns from the market. If I want to show you something here, I myself, I have invested in this mutual funds. You can see. This is my mutual fund portfolio, guys. So I have invested in this like 1, 2, 3, altogether 4 mutual funds are there. Even here, guys, you need proper analysis. Everyone, is that clear now? Mutual fund part? All of you?
Ma'am, again,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Sorry, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
about others, guys?
I
At least
couldn't
let me know
understand.
in chat box. Couldn't understand. Okay, I'm repeating one more time in short. Hmm? So here you can you can participate in market in trading and investing in two ways, directly or indirectly. Okay, directly what you do, you directly go to your Angel One account, you will do analysis and you will buy one stock. Okay, so whatever profit comes, it comes directly to you, or whatever loss comes, it comes directly to you. No one is responsible for that. Okay, but now here in mutual funds, what happened? You give your money to the asset management company. For example, there is one HDFC large cap mutual fund. Okay, you will invest in that. You will invest money in that mutual fund. So the fund manager of that mutual fund, large cap mutual fund, HDFC large cap mutual fund manager, he will align your money in stock market. So now whatever return comes, that will be distributed between AMC, asset management company, and between you. Same goes with loss part also. Is that clear? So while you are trading directly, you may get profit of 10% directly, but here you will directly get profit of only 2%. But same with losses also, huh, guys. In direct trading, you may see loss of like 5%, 10%, but here that same loss is nearby 2%, 3%. I hope now this example is very clear to all of you. Everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Guys, please reply in chat box quickly.
Yes,
Please.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, great. Perfect. Now let's come to the bond. Let's come to the bond. Bonds. Guys, again, bond is a security or asset, you can say. It is very similar to the FDs. Okay. FDs are regulated by RBI. Bonds are regulated by RBI and Securities Exchange Board of India both. Okay. Now understand this. It is similar to FD. Why? Here what happens? Let's assume now in Mumbai, we are getting new airport now. Okay. New international airport. So now what government says that we are building airport in Mumbai. Okay. And for this project, we need 15,000 CR. Okay. For how many years? For 7 years. With the interest rate of 12%. This is what scheme they have now. Okay. As an investor, what we do, we will invest our money in this bond. Okay. And we will be getting 12% interest year on year till the time our money is engaged in that bond. But here things come with few limitations. For example, many bonds give you interest on monthly basis. Many bonds give you interest on quarterly basis. Many bonds give you interest on yearly basis. Okay. Many bonds have no lock-in period. Many of them have a lock-in period. Understand, guys, this? I mean, so same thing we have in banks, right? Hello, everyone. I have few examples for you. I'll go to Google. Normally, I do bonds part on this website. The name of the company is Grip. Let me log in. One second, guys. I'm logging into account. 634. Perfect. So, guys, now here you will see I have two bonds on my screen. See, one is regulated by RBI and one is regulated by SEBI. Registered by SEBI and registered by RBI. Understand this? One is basket and one is corporate bond. One says will give you return of 13.25%. One says will give you return of 12.75%. One says the tenure is 21 months. One says tenure is 14 months. Here, I can see there's no rating for gold bond, but yeah, there is a CRISIL rating for BBB plus for the SEBI bond. If anyone doesn't know what is CRISIL, CRISIL is a credit rating company. Okay, so whatever banks, so whatever companies, loans, and whatever things they get from the market or from the IBI, everything is based on this CRISIL. Like for us, we have a CIBIL score, right? For companies, there's a CRISIL to rate their credit. So minimum investment here is in gold bond 1,97,000, and here minimum investment is almost, if I say 9,000 10,000 rupees. Everyone. So if I tap on explore over here, you will see there is no tenure. They say you can sell this anytime. Okay. They are paying interest monthly. Okay. And at the, like, if you're not taking your money from this market, so what will happen? Okay. They will return your money at the time of maturity. Everyone, I hope now you guys understood about this
I'm so
bonds,
sorry,
right?
ma'am. Can you like give me explanation for bonds alone, investing in bonds?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Can you just explain the type of through investing through bonds? Like
Ma'am,
repeat what
bonds
you
are
said. For the bonds.
okay. You want me to repeat this? Okay. I got this.
Yes, yes.
So, guys, see here. There's a one project. Here there's a one project which is by RBI. Okay. So now what are they saying? You give us your money. Okay. You give us 10,000 rupees. 1 second. Huh? Okay. You give us 10,000 rupees. In return, what will happen? We will be giving you 12.75% interest rate. Okay. The maturity date is 18 August. So for example, if you are investing in this bond today, till 18 August 2026, you will be getting monthly return. Okay. That means 12.75. You can divide that 12.75 by 12. Every month you will get 1% ka return. Above something like 1%. It can be 1.00203, something like that. Okay. So you will be getting same things happen in FD also, guys. The only difference is here they are using our money for their work. Okay. And in bank, our money is in our account and we get interest on this. Everyone, now is it clear to all of you?
Ma'am, returns give monthly
Yes,
or
ma'am.
yearly, ma'am?
The here they are saying we will be giving you 12 point. Here they are saying they will be giving you return of 12.75. Now you divide this 12.75 with 12.
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. So that will be coming on monthly basis. So here what are they saying? We will be giving you interest on monthly basis. Is it clear now?
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Everyone, kindly please let me know in chat box quickly. All of you. Yes, Aarti. Look, understand. There is always loss involved in security market. But here understand you have a risk cover also. Secured bond 1.1x security cover. So please don't worry. Okay, perfect. Now I'm coming to the ETF part. Now, ETF. Guys, the full form of ETF is Exchange Trade Fund. Okay, this is the full form of ETF. So, Exchange Trade Fund means what? Wherein, like, we have two types of index, guys. Okay, we have two types of index. The first index is known as a sectorial. Okay, sector index. And the second is benchmark index. So what's the index? Index is a combination of stocks. Okay, when I talk about benchmark, we have two indexes. One is Nifty 50 and another is Sensex. So if I want to see how Indian stock market performed today, I will be looking at Nifty 50 and Sensex. Why? Because top 50 companies which are helping Indian economy to go up, they are into Nifty 50. Top 30 companies which are helping economy to go up, they are in Sensex. Are you guys getting my point now? If they are performing well, that means my market is up today. If their stocks are not performing well today, our market is down. Did you got my point? Everyone? All of you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys?
We got.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now understand this. Now understand it. In sector, what happens? In sector, we have different indexes like Nifty IT. You have Nifty Auto. You have Nifty Pharma. So these are sectorial base. Nifty Bank. So if I want to give example, let's focus on Nifty Bank here. I'll be taking you through with the proper example part now. Here, wait, home. Here we have Nifty Bank. Now see this, guys. How many banks are there here? Total 12 banks. Today this bank didn't perform well. Guys, today this banks didn't perform well. See this? The Nifty Bank index is down today. I hope now you guys understood with this example. Right? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There is let's talk about a Nifty Finance Index, which is known as a Fin Nifty. Okay, here. So see how many stocks are there over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Altogether 20 stocks are there here in Nifty Financial Index, wherein bank, insurance company, NBFC, combination of all these three sectors in Nifty Finance. Okay. So today they didn't perform well. So Fin Nifty, I mean to say Finance Nifty is down today. Is that okay? Now, so now why ETF? Why ETF? So guys, if you want to buy 50 stocks of Nifty today, the amount you will be required, that is 1,30,000. If you want to buy all these stocks, you will be required 1,30,000. Are you guys getting my point? And right now, as a beginner, all of us, we don't have that much money. So what we can do to take benefit of this Nifty? We'll go ahead and invest in Nifty ETF. So ETFs are like, just type Nifty Bs. Here we have Nifty Bs. Okay. The price of Nifty Bs is only 278, guys. Are you guys getting my point now? All of you? The price, yes, the price of Nifty Bs is 270 right now. 273, sorry. So what happens over here? If Nifty perform well, your ETF will grow. If Nifty is not performing well, your ETF will come down. So wherein previously you were required 1,30,000, and but now here you require only 273 rupees. Everyone, did you get my point now? All of you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. We
What
got it.
is ETF and index? This part is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So guys, these are the basic things. These are the basic asset class that we have in Indian stock market right now. Okay. So understand, guys, you will be doing all these things properly. I will be teaching you how to do analysis before selecting mutual funds, how to do analysis before selecting stocks, how to do analysis before doing any kind of trading. Now, tomorrow, what are we going to learn? I will be explaining that now. Tomorrow, we are going to learn about, I'm sorry, guys. Tomorrow, we are going to learn about market participants. Number one. After that, we are going to learn about basics of investing and trading. After that, we will be learning about basics of option trading. All this thing. Okay. So it is my request, guys. This recording will be available by today midnight. Tomorrow, before you come to training, okay, please do watch this recording. Why? Because there are few topics which I have covered in this, which will be coming into the basics of investing and trading and market participant. So I want you guys to answer that question during that particular topic when I'm asking in the training. I hope you guys understood this, right? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Absolutely.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Apart from that, guys, I'll be Mandeep ji, wait, huh? Apart from that, another thing, guys. On initial level, my only request from you guys is, okay, whatever things you are learning in theory, same things you will be learning in practical also. Like when I talk about practical, guys, you will be doing in the live market, okay? And in live market, I'm not asking you guys to come with 10,000, 20,000 rupees fund. Okay. First, learn the market data with small amount. How much it will cost you? Hardly 800 to between 1,200, not more than that. In that, you will be learning your investing part. You will be learning intraday trading. You will be learning your option trading analysis part also. All these things will be covered in that. After that, Still, if you think that I am not confident to take trading, be a spectator in that group, look at the analysis which I'm sharing and try to understand logic behind that. Do start sharing your charts, your analysis, your news and everything. We are there to help you out whether your analysis is going right or wrong. On real time basis, you will get update in that group. Is that okay to all of you now, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
directly again, I'm saying, please do not come with a huge money. It is my request, please. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I hope this session was informative to all of you, right?
Yes, ma'am. Very
Yes,
much.
ma'am. And yes, ma'am. And my doubt here is, should we like see the recording once again before tomorrow's class?
Yes, ma'am. It is very important. If you do that, then I would be more grateful to you, ma'am.
No, not like that. Just asking, like, if will it, as I'm just an 18-year-old now, so I'm just entering into field now for this. So will I be not too young for this?
I'll be telling, ma'am, in what class are you in right now?
Ma'am, I have just completed my class 12.
Class 12th.
Applied for
And that is from
counseling in college.
commerce background or from what?
Yes, I am a commerce background.
And there was a stock market topic also in that, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes, business studies. Yes, I
In
have learned
Mumbai,
about.
in Maharashtra, we have that. We have stock market. But I'm definitely for sure, ma'am, all these topics were not covered in that stock market. The topics which I have covered today.
Yes, I just know about SEBI and Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. That's it. These three topics. Not
Trust me,
more
ma'am,
than
I am
that.
from engineering background, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, even
Okay.
I am from engineering.